Hello guys, welcome back to Web World. In this video we'll dive into answers for week 3 of data science using Python course. Whether you are stuck on a problem or just want to double check your solution, this video is for you. So let's get started. First question, what will bool of 0 written in Python? So bool is a predefined function in Python which will convert a value to Boolean data type. So bool of 0 will return false. If we pass any non-zero value inside bool function, it will return true. So the correct option will be option B. Moving to second question, which of the following are true about identifiers in Python? So in Python, an identifier can contain letters, numbers and underscores, and also arbitrarily long, and it cannot be a keyword. So the correct options will be option A, option C and option D. Moving to third question, which of the following string literal are valid in Python? So hello inside single quotes is a valid literal, and 123 within pair of double quotes is also a valid literal, and 3.7 within single quotes is also a valid literal. So option A, option B and option D are correct options. Moving to fourth question, in Python every variable is treated as an object. So here we have to type object manually, OBJECT. Moving to fifth question, which operator will evaluate to true if a specified value is not found in a sequence? So in Python we have an operator called NOTIN, which will evaluate to true if a specified value is not found in a sequence. So the correct option will be option B. Moving to sixth question, which of the following are bitwise operators in Python? So AND is a bitwise operator, OR is a bitwise operator and XOR is also a bitwise operator. So the correct options will be option A, option B and option D. Dash arguments in Python function can be passed using the parameter names in the function call. So here named arguments or keyword arguments is passed using the parameter names in the function call. So we have to type keyword manually here, KEY WORT. Moving to eighth question, what does the break statement do in a loop? So break statement is used to terminate a loop. So here it is used to exit the loop. So the option B will be the correct option. Option B will be the correct option. Okay. Next, moving to ninth question, which clause is executed if a loop completes normally without encountering a break statement? So here an else clause is executed. So else clause is executed to normally complete a loop without encountering a break statement. So the correct option will be option C. Moving to 10th question, which are valid reasons to use a pass statement. So pass statement is used to occupy a space where no actions is required, and also to write the code in future. So option A and option B are correct options. Moving to 11th question, the dash statement can prematurely terminate a loop in Python. So here break statement is used to prematurely terminate a loop in Python. So here we have to type break manually, BREAK. Moving to 12th question, what is the main purpose of using functions in Python? So the main purpose of using functions in Python is to increase the software usability, okay, or to enhance software reusability. So the correct option will be option B. Moving to 13th question, Python allows the creation of anonymous functions, so which are known as dash functions. So Python allows the creation of anonymous function using lambda functions. So these lambda functions are defined using a keyword called lambda. So here we have to type LAMBDA manually. So here we have to write capital letter L, okay. Check the spelling correctly. Moving to 14th question, what are the characteristics of default arguments in Python functions? So in function definition, the positional arguments cannot follow default arguments. This is a valid statement, and they assume a default value if none is provided in the function call. So and they can override the default value if one is provided in the function call. So the correct options will be option A, option B and option C. Moving to last question, which is 15th question. So the question is, which functionalities are enabled by using the double asterisk KW args in function parameters, okay, keyword arguments. Here KW arg means keyword arguments. So passing an arbitrary number of keyword arguments is a functionality, and accessing arguments via dictionary keys is another functionality. So preserving the names of arguments is also a functionality that enabled using keyword arguments in function parameters. So the correct options will be option A, option B and option D. This is the end of the video, and I'm going to submit the assignment. Okay, I'm successfully submitted the assignment. Thank you.